Chapter 4: Installation and Transport. Can the offered swimming pools be disassembled after season and reassembled later? Our swimming pool is a product designed to last many years and adapted to remain safe even off-season. Disassembly is possible, however, it is highly risky and not recommended. Such action may result in damage to the screws used for installation, structure components, or other elements. The consequence of disassembly and improper storage may be no possibility of reassembly of the swimming pool. However, if it is necessary, for example, the location change is required, reassembly should be done very carefully right after the disassembly. Did you like it? Leave your comment in the comments box. See you next time! And remember, life is better by the pool, the wooden pool.